I'm the king of the world! Welcome. I'm James, my wife Nadine, Chihuahua Juno, and the Starship FERGUNIZed. Together, we are FERGUNIZed.
We made it to Lake Jennings. This is home for the next couple days. Woohoo! Look at this. That's beautiful. But you're not allowed to swim. Only fish or rent a boat, or if you have your own boat, that's it.
Welcome to Lake Jennings. Tucked away in the hills of eastern San Diego County, this peaceful reservoir has been a favorite spot for camping, fishing, and escaping the city for decades. Right now, we're driving across the Lake Jennings Dam. From here, you get a great look at the lake before heading up to the campground. It's a pretty cool way to make your entrance. The campground has a little over 100 campsites with a mix of full hookups, partial hookups, and tent sites. So there's something here for just about every style of camper. If you're looking for a quiet weekend close to San Diego without driving for hours, Lake Jennings is definitely worth putting on your list. Let's head inside and see what it's all about. 65.
He's a little protector. This sweet boy, Juno. Look at this giant octopus in this garage. Wow. All the staff here are very, very nice. He offered to guide us to our campsite. So I really highly appreciate that they go above and beyond to help their customers.
And she also asked if we can buy, or if we wanted ice or wood. So I guess you could buy ice or wood when you check in.
Oh, okay. You don't know if there is a cafe or vending machine or anything, huh?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
And this is our spot. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is our home for the coming few days. Yay!
Welcome to our home for the next couple days aboard the Starship FERGUNIZed. Nadine has already claimed the shady spot while we try out our newest camping upgrade, this patch of artificial grass. Over in the distance, you'll find the restrooms and the trash dumpsters. And just behind us, you'll find the campground pavilion. So everything you need is just a short walk from the campsite. Our site includes full hookups. You'll get both 30 amp and 50 amp electrical service, fresh water, and a sewer connection. So staying here is about as comfortable as camping gets. From what I can tell, there are 2 individual gender-neutral restrooms, along with larger men's and women's restrooms that also include the campground showers. Since Lake Jennings is known for its excellent freshwater fishing, there's even a dedicated fish cleaning station nearby. A nice touch if you plan on cooking your catch back at the camp. Now ladies, if you've ever wondered what the inside of a men's campground restroom looks like, today is your lucky day. You've got the urinals, then the sinks with mirrors, the toilet stalls, the shower area is simple but functional, giving you a place to clean up after a day on the lake or exploring the campground. Honestly, everything looked as clean and maintained as could be expected during our visit. Definitely not a luxury hotel, but it'll do.
Bon appetit! First dinner in Lake Jennings. What are we eating?
Fajita, chicken fajita. It's a little bit spicy. I'm guessing that's a Caesar salad.
Yes.
And some rice.
And some rice. We're eating outdoor. We have this table here. And there is another pavilion inside. Maybe we eat in it later. Bon appetit. We didn't ride these bikes for years maybe, so it's time to use them. What do you think, Juno? You have another competitor here. He barks same as you do. We are walking now. It's sunset, almost sunset. We are walking toward the lake. It's beautiful. We were looking at those spots with lake view, but James is saying good we didn't get them. We didn't get them just because it's not full hookup. It's non-hookups. That's why we didn't get them. But he was saying it's better. We got the one with the full hookup and no views. Just because this spots are not leveled up, you're saying, or what?
Yeah, they're at an angle down, and they wouldn't like it.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. No swimming allowed. No dogs past this point.
Oh. Sorry, Juno.
Why?
Well, maybe we could take this trail, see where it goes.
Very nice hike, huh? Beautiful, cute greeneries all around you on this road. Look at this. It's beautiful. What's for dinner tonight, babe?
Burnt burgers?
Burnt burgers. Yum, yum, yum. Then maybe after that, some marshmallow. What do you think?
Yeah, possibly. If the burgers don't turn out, we'll just eat marshmallows.
Yeah, why not? Look at this. Yum, yum, yum. What are we missing? You're saying spatula?
Spatula.
Yeah, we need to get one.
You thought we would turn it over with a fork.
Yeah. Working hard for dinner. And Juno's smelling something good. Look, he's looking at you. Is that for me? Is that for me? You have your food, Habibi. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you, babe, for dinner.
Yep, hopefully it's good.
Yes. Cheers. I made some potatoes too. Potatoes and zucchini.
I put it in the burger.
You'll put it in the burger?
I did already.
Oh, you did. Bon appetit. Thank you, babe.
Welcome. Yeah, it's pretty good.
What do you think? You're having fun?
Yeah, it's nice.
Ooh, that's a lot, babe. That's a lot. We'll catch on fire.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Haha, I know. That's it. That's what he wants. He said it clearly. Enough. No, it's too much. No, it's not good. That's dark.
You like your marshmallow toasted or burnt?
He has a marshmallow here.
Who's on team James for burnt and team Nadine for barely touched?
Toasted. I like it toasted. You like it burnt or toasted? And honestly, You don't need full hookup. You can be okay with a partial hookup, right, Habib?
Yeah, there's a dump station, so you could get away with just having water, electric, or even just electric. While Juno and I stretch our legs, we're taking a walk along a portion of the Lake Loop Trail. It's an easy way to explore the campground on foot, get a little exercise, and enjoy some of the scenery around Lake Jennings. Just a short walk from the campground entrance, you'll find one of the better viewpoints overlooking the lake. While swimming isn't allowed here, Lake Jennings is well known for freshwater fishing, kayaking during designated events, and peaceful lakeside views. This drone shot really gives you a sense of the campground setting. You're surrounded by rolling hills, mature trees, and the lake itself, all without having to drive hours outside of San Diego.
Beautiful, huh?
Back on the ground, we're heading up toward one of the horseshoe pits and another shaded picnic area.
Let's check it out.
Even if you're not into camping, these are nice spots to relax for a while and enjoy the fresh air. Where do you find most of the fish? Between the head and the tail. I have absolutely no idea why there's a giant fish mailbox here, but naturally, we had to introduce Juno. Fortunately for him, it appears to be well fed.
A bit fishy, isn't it, Juno?
This is the ranger station, where you'll check in when you arrive. If you forgot a camping essential or just need a few basics, they also have a small camp store with supplies to help you get through your stay. Just west of the ranger station is another covered picnic area. I like how they've decorated the wall with road signs from all over. It gives you a fun roadside Americana feel. One feature I wasn't expecting was this bicycle repair station. It includes basic tools and an air pump, which could be a real lifesaver if you're exploring the campground by bike. Right next to it is a little free library, where campers can borrow a book or leave one behind for the next visitor. You'll also find propane available for refill and an ice station nearby, making it easy to stock up without leaving the campground. If your campsite doesn't include a sewer hookup, there's a complimentary dump station available for registered campers before you head home. One thing I really like about Lake Jennings is how many of the campsites are tucked into the natural vegetation. It gives much of the campground a quieter, more secluded feel than you'd expect this close to the city. Now we're making our way over to the Campground Pavilion, which serves as a central gathering place for campers and campground activities. It's a nice shaded spot to take a break, meet up with family, or just relax for a while before continuing your adventure.
We will complete later, huh?
Yeah. Foosball. You can buy the balls here, and they have extra paddles. Also vending machine, sodas.
I will bet you $100 that I will put this tree ball in this container that you have.
No way. That's impossible. Okay,
Want to bet?
that's a deal. That's a
Where is
deal.
your $100?
I got it right here in my wallet. You know I do. Okay, how about if I do it? Double or nothing. Double or nothing if I do it. Okay?
Double or nothing.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. Well, I guess I lost. How about if I get two? If I get two? If I get two, the $100 back?
Okay.
Okay, one.
No.
If I get one in,
No, man, no.
If I get one in, I'll pay you $50. Half. Here we go. How did you do that? How did you do that? It's impossible. It's impossible that you did that. There you go. One, two, three. Not too far from our campground, we found this cool little playground. If you can imagine it, the playground takes on the shape of a ship. I'm the king of the world! As the sun sets on another adventure, we'd like to thank you for coming along with us. Here on FERGUNIZED, we bring you a brand new travel adventure every Friday, exploring campgrounds, hidden gems, road trips, cruises, and everything in between. If you don't want to wait until Friday, become a channel member and watch new videos as soon as they're uploaded. You can also support the channel by checking out our merch at fergunized.myshopify.com or by using the Waterfly affiliate link to pick up the incredibly handy backpack that folds into its own pouch. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks for helping us continue to bring you more adventures. FERGUNIZED, signing off. Bye.